Introducing the 42V Charger Replacement Electric Scooter Charger, the perfect solution for keeping your electric scooter or a bike powered up and ready to go. Specifically designed for compatibility with Gotrax lithium electric scooters and other devices, this smart replacement charger features a 5.5mm outside diameter and a 2.1mm inside diameter connector. Additionally, the package includes a DC adapter with a 5.5mm outside diameter and a 2.5mm inside diameter, ensuring versatility for various devices. Equipped with smart charging technology, this charger provides convenient indication lights to keep you informed of the charging status. A green light indicates when the battery is fully charged, while a red light indicates that charging is in progress. Plus, the charger automatically stops when the battery reaches full capacity, preventing overcharging and extending battery life. Safety is paramount, which is why this charger is equipped with multiple protection features, including overvoltage protection, OVP, overcurrent protection, OCP, overload protection, OLP, short circuit protection, SCP, and overtemperature protection, OTP. This ensures safe and reliable charging every time. With high efficiency and soft starting current, this charger reduces the impact of AC input while providing faster and safer charging. Its compact size and lightweight design make it convenient to carry and store, while its intelligent high-speed charging capabilities ensure optimal performance. Compatible with 36V/42V10S lithium batteries, this charger offers universal compatibility for a wide range of electric scooters and bikes. Plus, if you encounter any issues with the charger, rest assured that customer satisfaction is our priority. Simply reach out to us, and we'll gladly provide a replacement or refund. Keep your electric scooter or bike charged and ready for your next adventure with the 42V Charger Replacement Electric Scooter Charger.